Alright, so I thought I'd do a quick video about the amped grip line. I rather like these. I actually use the motor plate connector for my M4s, but for this particular, this is going to be a LCT version 3 Polar Star AK. So the grips are a little bit different. So the first thing that you want to do is check your line, fit it to your motor grip. Just kind of see where you want to put it in relation to your screw. Maybe hold it up to the gun a little bit. But the very next thing you're going to do is you're going to want to find a bit that gives you enough room where it's not super tight to slide in and out, because with a AK grip you can pull it right off. You can slide it right off and then disconnect it, whereas with the M4 grip the little hole by the motor pulls down on this and disconnects it for you. So the next thing you do is you choose a drill bit. I chose a 1/2 inch. I would prefer a normal drill instead of this hole type, but this is what I had in this size to work with. And a drill with some RPM to get through it. On this particular grip, this is a King Arms slim line, and I just simply drilled where I had my other line, the standard macro line, and just bored it out a little bigger. I was very lucky that I had enough meat left. You'll see that has some thickness to it, and so it took a second for the drill to get through that, but it worked out pretty good after it was done. The next thing you want to do is get a very sharp knife, not a pair of scissors, and you're going to take your line there we go. You're going to take your line and you're going to cut it. See, this one was kinking where I had it in the grip. Okay, and you're going to cut it a couple times. I actually had to cut mine 3 times before I got the length I liked, but in their video at Amped they do say cut it short, and it is pretty short, so that does work. So if you messed up on a grip connector and you don't feel like doing it, you could just put your an amp line on instead of using the grip connector, which isn't bad because it's very flexible and it doesn't come off very easily. So it's a sweet product. So once you have that done, you simply put your grip connector on there. It's good and solid. And you take your grip, and for the AK I can slide it right on through here. Gonna have to do both at once, I think. There we go. And then you put your screw, which I just moved, right over here. There we go. Yep, you're going to watch me screw this in. And you should be done right now watching this video, and you should be doing it yourself. And there we are. All set, works good, doesn't come off, has some flexibility. I don't really have to worry about burrs in there. I cleaned it out pretty good. Much better than this very inflexible hose. This is so much better. Look at that movement. That is super. So yeah, that is how you do it. Maybe I'll do a video on the M4 one, although I think that's been done, you know, to death really. But thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it as usual.